This is a 21.5 inch HP brand monitor. I connected the electricity to the monitor, but here the power indicator light is not flashing, so I am opening it to repair. To repair this power circuit, you need to have some basic knowledge about SMPS circuit. In the primary section of this circuit, there is a bridge rectifier. The AC power supply is input at this rectifier. Pulsating DC is output from this rectifier, and there is a capacitor to filter that pulsating DC. Here is a step-down category SMPS transformer. Positive supply is applied to pin number 1 of this transformer for the positive bias of the drain of this field effect transistor or other switching device. And this field effect transistor is integrated into this IC. Moreover, this IC has a pulse generator section of 20 kHz to 10 MHz. For the perfect output voltage, here is the voltage control circuit built by the Optocoupler and other devices. This section works by the feedback voltage received from the output circuit. And that's the output rectifier and filter circuit. Regulated DC voltage is output from this circuit. However, first you have to check whether the operating voltage is okay or not. That's why you can measure the voltage on the main filter capacitor. It will be around 300 volts here. Okay, we understand there is no short circuit in the primary stage. So now we can measure the secondary voltage. There is no voltage. So we have to understand whether there is a short circuit or not. Apparently there seems to be a short circuit. So you have to open the diode and then measure it. Dear friends, the diode is short. Now let's change the diode and see what happens. Okay, that's about 19 volts. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.